Welcome back to the UltFone channel. There's a new minor version 18.7.9 for the old iPad. If your old iPad often crashes or lags, or if you want to upgrade to a more powerful new version, today I'll take you through the whole upgrade process. Let's get started. Method 1. Download the beta version. First, download the public beta before the official release. Interested participants can download Apple Developer from the Apple Store. After downloading, go back to your iPad settings and choose to open the iPad public beta. Then go back to the system update screen and you can download and install the iPadOS public beta on your iPad. If you still can't update, try the next method. Method 2. Force restart your iPad. If the update screen does not appear, a simple restart might resolve the issue for older iPads. To do this, press and hold the top power button and the home button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears, then release and wait for the device to reboot. After restarting, go back to the settings page to make sure it's running properly, and at this point, you can see that you can update to the new version again. Method 3. Update using Apple devices. For an iPad with a home button, first connect the iPad to a computer using a cable. Then press and hold both the home button and the power button until the screen goes black and enters recovery mode. Next, open Apple devices. It will prompt you to choose between updating or restoring. Here, select update and follow the instructions. Apple devices will automatically download and install the latest version of iPadOS while keeping your data. You just need to patiently wait for Apple devices to complete the update to experience the new version of the iPad. Method 4. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. If Apple devices is experiencing issues, UltFone iOS System Repair is a recommended alternative. With just one click, you can resolve this issue using UltFone iOS System Repair, which can also fix over 150 iOS system problems. Please check the download link in the description below for installation, then connect your phone to a PC or Mac. Then press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black and the recovery mode appears. After that, UltFone will recognize your iPhone. Click the green Start button. Choose the standard repair option to keep your data, then download the corresponding firmware. Once the download is complete, click Start to proceed to the final step. This entire process takes about 10 minutes to complete. Once the repair is finished, your iPad will restart. After the restart, you will see in the settings that your iPad has successfully updated its system. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.